Right, so I recently purchased an RT82 radio, so this one here, and I've been having some trouble getting the drivers to work and getting the software to work on Windows 10. Every time I try to read from the radio, this software just crashes. So I've been in contact with their support people backwards and forwards, and they've asked me to do a video, so I thought I would do a video and put it on my channel as well. Hopefully I'll get a response to this, and hopefully I'll get a resolution, and if I do, I will put that video out as well, explaining what the resolution is. So what I'm going to do here, first of all, is download the USB driver. So this is on their resource center, and I'm going to get this USB driver here. I've completely uninstalled everything from the computer at the moment because I'm going to run through exactly what happens. And then I'm going to get the RT82 programming software as well. So I'll save both of those to the desktop. Right, jolly good. Both those downloads are now complete. Here's our USB universal driver, and here's our RT82 programming software. So I'll install the programming software second, I think. We'll get the driver installed first. So let's extract that out onto the desktop and go into here. And I'm running Windows, 64-bit drivers, Windows 10. And I'm going to just run this as admin, just in case there's any possibility of conflict when you run it as non-admin. But I think I'm got an admin account on this PC anyway. So I'm just going to run through this installation. It says it's finished. Finish. Fine. That was very, very quick. So I wouldn't expect anything to happen. That's just a driver install. What I'm going to do now is plug the radio in using the cable that came with it. Now I know the cable works, and I know all of this stuff does work because I've managed to get it working on a Windows 7 computer. So I know this is not a hardware issue. This is a software problem. I've tried it on a number of USB ports because sometimes that can be a problem on a computer because USB ports can actually not really be straight USB ports, they can be hubs. Alright, let's turn the radio on. Familiar sound to anyone who's used one of these before, I'm sure. And go to Device Manager. But here we have other devices, digital radio in USB mode. That's okay because this is documented on their website for when it comes up with this. And what I will do is uninstall, I think, this device. I think I need to uninstall this. Right. Okay. We have STM device in DFU mode. This is exactly what my radio says when it's in Windows 7 and it's installed correctly. So I've got no problems anymore down throughout the devices. Well, there is one, but that's related to something completely different. So I'll go and install the programming software now. And again, I'll run this as admin. Windows 10 doesn't usually like stuff being installed in the root of C, but I'm going to put it there anyway. And there's the RT82 shortcut from the programming software. I'm going to run that as administrator. And I'm going to read from the radio here, and you have to confirm that with OK. And the software is gone. Crashed. Let's try that again. Let's try that as non-administrator. It's just running that software normally. And read from the radio. Click OK. And the software has crashed again. So that's the problem I'm having. It means I'm totally unable to use the radio on Windows 10, program it, change anything to do with it. So any help would be appreciated.